Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look, and as you can see, it's two different eye type of hearts. I did this one off camera and I did this one on camera, so you guys can see. Doesn't always have to be the same. It can still be a little bit different and still be cute, kind of thing. But if you guys don't want to add the hearts, you can just do this look and it'll be really pretty as well. So I am actually going to be using a new palette that I've had, and it's Remember Me palette by Amore Us, and it is just a beautiful palette. It's so amazing, and let me show you the colors, guys. So these are the colors right here, and as you can see, they're very bright and very beautiful. But one thing that I would like to say is that when I got this palette and when I saw it online, I will have the link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. When I saw it online, I was like, oh my gosh, this reminds me of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I do have the first palette, which is Take Me to Brazil. Now, this is how the old palette looks like. They did just, I think last year they released the Take Me Back to Brazil again, and they added a new row, which is this pink row that they had added. So as you guys can see, let me see. As you guys can see, these palettes are so close. They are so similar. And this one down here does not have these two shades, the black and the white, which I absolutely love from the Take Me to Brazil palette. But yeah, if you guys want a more in-depth review of these two palettes together, then let me know. But with that being said, let's just get right into the video and let's just start.
Time goes by at the blink of an eye. You don't know what your love has done to me. It's got me going like I don't wanna again.